Welcome to my channel Neha Bhatia, Align and Attract. This video will help you attract all that you want in your life. A new life is about to begin. Do it for 20 minutes every single day when you wake up in the morning and before you go to sleep, and see your life transforming. The first and the last 20 minutes of your day is the most powerful. Have a control on these 20 minutes and the direction of your life will be as you want. Let's open the door of evolution and let's begin. Sit comfortably and easily. Close your eyes and keep your spine erect. Take a few deep breaths in and out. And think of a situation in your life which gave you immense happiness and you're extremely grateful for. It can be recent or of the past. Any situation, big event or a small one. See it again and again and bring the feelings again. Bring a smile on your face. Inhale gratitude. You may think of another situation and continue for 5 minutes. Now think of a present situation with your eyes closed. See how your life is treating you. Is it bringing you joy and happiness? And imagine all this is happening in your life right this moment. Your relationships, your work, your emotions and thoughts. Keep watching it with a smile for next 5 minutes. Now start to imagine your day. How do you want it to be? Do you want to plan it in a better way than you planned yesterday? Think of why you are doing what you are doing. If you're doing a business or in a relationship or contributing to the society, what else would you like to do to make it better? Is there any challenge that you would like to address to in a different way from today onwards? Keep bringing all the questions in your mind and keep releasing it through the breath and experience freedom. Do this process for 10 minutes. And in the end, ask yourself and the universe, what is the next thing that I need to do to make it a reality? And keep asking this question again and again during the day. And with that, open your eyes. Share the video with people and help the humanity grow and evolve. Thank you.